Dr. Galvisi from Pacific Bay Pediatric Dentistry, and this is my friend Zane.
Hi.
We're going to show you how to floss today.
Okay.
Here we go. I like to use these for the little kids. They're the little floss sticks. You can buy them from any pharmacy. Open big for me, Zane. What you're going to do, he has a lot of spaces here in the front, so you don't really need to floss there, but if you did, you're just basically going to go up and down, scrape against the tooth. In the back, that's the important spot. I'm going to start over here. You're going to slide that floss in and get it right out there. You want to be really gentle so you don't pop it in and you don't hurt them. Some kids have tighter contacts between their teeth, and so it takes a lot more effort to get it in. But once you figure out your child's teeth, it'll be a little bit easier to do it. That's it. It's really that quick. Whenever there's a contact between the teeth, you want to floss. That's it. Nice and clean. Thank you.